How to access Black Dress employee account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can log in into your Black Dress employee account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step is open up a web browser and then simply search for Black Dress employee login. After you search for that, you'll get different options. Head over to this Black Dress Media. Open this link up. Now this link can take some time to log in, load up, but after it does, you'll get to this page right here. Then all you have to do is type in your username and then your password. After you do so, you can then tap on the sign in page and log in into your account. And that's how you access your Black Dress account. Other than that, if you have forgotten your password, there is also an option to retrieve it. And yeah, that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.